So you just got your Vevor heater, you're all excited, get the shop all warmed up, and you realize that there's no plug end that comes on the Vevor heater. These are meant to be hooked up, I don't know, when you go camping for another source of heat, but I'm going to show you a way you can hook it up to your wall plug. So all you're going to need to get is one of these 12 volt power supplies. Super easy. They're about 20-30 bucks on Amazon. I'll pop a little picture up here so you can see which one I bought. But all you're going to do is you're going to take your extension cord end that you're going to find off an old extension cord. You're going to cut her up, strip the ends of the wire. Go ahead and hook up your black on your load, your white on your neutral, your green on your ground. All right? And so this is going to be the input side. This is going to be your output side. And then you're going to hook up your black and your red wire, one to your negative, one to your positive. Fancy box is going to transfer that into 12 volt power. So a lot of people have questions too about you can adjust your voltage. So these units on the lowest setting are perfect for your Vevor Diesel. If you're wondering if you need to adjust that to get the better voltage for your unit, don't worry about that. You can crank it up if you want, it's not going to matter. So once you get that hooked up, you got your Vevor hooked up, you got your plug end hooked up. A lot of people will put a switch on this, but I just unplug it from the wall because I'm not lazy. I'm going to plug this bad boy in. I'm going to come over here. She's firing up. Then you use your Lamborghini key. Turn that bad boy on. Boom. There you go. Hooks in the back. Here's another picture of the wire. The fuse that comes in it. This is your wall outlet plug. So power in, power out. Red wire on the positive, black wire on the negative. Boom. Bob's your uncle. You're good to go. Start getting some heat.